Hey guys, it's Neil. In today's video, I am showing you my squishy collection. This isn't my squishy. I'm squishing it. So let's get into this. Okay, let's go. So my friend here, what's your YouTube name? I don't know. I forgot. It's like Megan Productions or like Megan McNeil or something. Okay, give me the squishy. So squishy one. The first squishy is this like green cake thing. Let's go squishy. Okay. Sorry if you hear music in the background. Just go over here. Just watching. Okay. Okay. So the next squishy is this cake. I love the freaking strawberry. The crinkles are so pretty. And it's so airy. Did you hear that? It smells like chocolate. Listen. I love it. Okay. The next squishy. Can you turn that down?
This is the next squishy.
No, it's not a squishy. It's so squishy. Okay, so this is my big bread squishy, or melon bread. It's melon bread. So yeah, what's the next squishy? But you just squishy. Can you turn it down? Okay, so here's my pear. It's airy too. You can't really hear it.
Oh.
I can't.
It's when they hump each other. Not that, but.
Oh!
Yeah.
Okay, give me this question. Oh my god, yes. So this is like a koala.
Yeah.
My koala. Stop trying to eat my squishies. So it's like a rainbow koala. It's so kawaii and squishy. It smells really good. Okay. The next squishy is this ice cream. Okay, let's get into the next one. Okay. So for my latest video, I did squishy dares and I had to rinse this with soap and water, so it's not squishy anymore. It's a bread. Okay. Next squishy is an apple. No eye bloom, no like specialty. It's just a regular apple. Okay. And it smells really good. Here is my next squishy. It's a big jumbo donut. It says my face. Okay. Sorry, technical difficulties. Here's our squishy. Can you turn that down? Thank you. So squishy. It smells like a donut. The next squishy is this hamburger. Like the sesame seeds have been falling off. It's so soft. Not that squishy, but it's still like it. Okay, the next squishy is from Silly Squishies. It's a, I don't even know what that is, an emoji. So yeah. It smells so good. It sits like 18 seconds to rise with 20 seconds. Okay, it's done. Well, it's not done. Next squishy. The next squishy, I thought I traded this. I guess not. You wanted to. So here is this. Love it. Recently, I just had to give some of my squishies to my friend, So the next one is this vanilla, like cookies, dough, something. Okay, next question. No, stop. Next question is this strawberry.
Your teeth are sharper.
Next. The next squishy is this poop. It's like one of those foam squishies. They're not so rising at all. It's not a squishy, it's a stuffed animal. Yeah. Boy. Okay, the next squishy is this pineapple. Tragic. It's shiny like pineapple. What you doing, baby? Come on, get attention. Okay, next squishy. It's still rising. You mean eat this squishy? Okay, the next one is the avocado. Hard times. I've shown you this. Okay, here's the next squishy. Okay, this is a donut, like a pink donut. Now that's a rising. It doesn't smell that good. What are you doing? Say hello to Gizmo. The next squishy. Some of my squishies aren't in this video because like they're somewhere else, like in a squishy package. Okay, this is my mini poop squishy. Okay, this is my milk carton. It's my squishiest paper squishy. This is my potato chip paper squishy. I didn't add enough stuff inside it to make it squishy. That's why it's not squishy. Same with this. It's literally like nothing. Next squishy. Why are you sniffing my bat? These are all my squishies? I don't have a lot of squishies. No, she's stealing a squishy. She's stealing my squishies. Oh, just move. Did I give you one of my squishies for free?
I don't know.
Like, I have like 15 squishies. Okay, here's my squishy. That's my favorite one.
Wait, Gizmo took this one.
Gizmo, you take these squishies. I have more squishies. They're just somewhere in like bag. So that's the end of today's video. Stop it. Leave a like, subscribe. Okay, so leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified every time I post a new upload. Bye.